friends, it's Hazel's mom. I'm just preparing some food to have a picnic with our dinosaur friends. Hey, would you like to join us? Great! So I'm gonna finish getting the food ready while you go and check out what our dinosaurs are up to. Okay! Watch out below, I'm coming in. Geronimo! This is so much fun. It really is. I love swimming in Orbeez. Oh man, I could stay here all day. Me too, it's perfect weather. Hey, is anyone else getting hungry? Oh man, I'm starving. Let's go get something to eat. Oh man, do we have to? The Orbeez are so nice. Yeah, we better go get some lunch. Otherwise, we're gonna have some really grumpy dinosaurs on our hands. All right, let's go. Come on everyone, let's go find some lunch. Which way should we go? Let's go this way. Boy, oh boy, I sure am hungry. Me too. I could eat an entire box of apples. All of this walking is really making me thirsty. Ooh, a tall, cold glass of lemonade? That would be tasty. I agree. I hope we find some food soon. Hey, look, it's a sign. What's it say? I don't know. Can anyone read? No? Nope. I can't. Sorry. Hey, that looks just like me. And those are apples. Let's follow the arrow. Seven, 8, 9, 10. Ready or not, here I come. Which way should I go? She'll never find me behind all of these rocks. I found you. Hey, how did you find me so fast? Well, you're sort of enormous. Oh yeah. Do you guys hear that? Yeah, it sounds like talking. I wonder who it is. Do you smell that? Food! Oh yeah, we must be getting close. Hey, who are you guys? Hello there! I'm Allosaurus, but you can call me Al. And these are my friends. Ankylosaurus, Parasaurophilus, Diplodocus, Monoclonius, And Stegosaurus. It's very nice to meet you. I'm Pachycephalosaurus, but you can call me Bob. And these are my friends. Are you guys hungry? You've made it just in time for the picnic. A picnic? We love picnics! And yes, we are starving. All right, dinosaurs, lunch is ready. Oh, hey, it looks like we have a few new visitors. They're our new friends. Can they stay for the picnic? Oh, yes, of course. I really hope you brought your appetites. Oh, we sure did. But we have some picky eaters in our group. Yeah, some of us only eat plants. And some of us only eat meat. Oh, well, that's okay. Yeah, you're not picky eaters. You just really know what you like to eat. I only eat meat too. And I only eat plants. Me too, and that's okay. You're right, Apatosaurus. Everybody eats differently, and that's okay. All right, enjoy your food, everyone. I need to go clean up the kitchen because feeding this many dinosaurs is kind of messy work. Yeah. This is delicious.
Oh, it's so tasty.
Don't speak with your mouth full of food.
Sorry.
Thanks so much for letting us join your picnic. Yeah, the food is delicious. Oh, you're very welcome. All of the food is almost gone. Hey, do you guys want to go play a game? Yeah, we'd love to. Let's play tag. Sounds like fun. Let's go. Wow, friends, that was so much fun. I love a picnic and we made some new friends today. That's a pretty good day, isn't it? All right, explorers, that's the end of this adventure. But if you want to continue exploring, click the big red subscribe button and give this video a thumbs up. And we'll see you later. Bye!